My name is Angie, and I'm a Regional Director of Sales with NHS. My journey with NHS began in October of 22 when I came on board as a Regional Director. My ultimate goal as a Regional Director of Sales is to grow and mentor my team and to return revenue to our ownership. I would describe hospitality management as fun. We do different things every day. We're in sales, we're in operations, we meet clients, we have guests that stay with us long term. It's fun. That's how I would describe it. The culture at NHS is amazing. It is the reason that I chose to come to this company. The culture is small, it's family, it's friendly, it's all about our people, and that is the difference. My favorite part about my career is that I get to mentor and grow others who want to do more in this industry. The sales team's mission is to grow revenues at our hotels. We have been very successful in creating occupancy and in return revenues that helps our company grow and helps our hotels grow.